Welcome, dear subscribers, to our language learning journey. I am thrilled to have you here on our YouTube channel, where we embark on a wonderful adventure of mastering English through captivating short stories. At the end of the videos, I teach the important part of the grammar, vocabulary, phrasal verbs, and collocations. So pay attention to the highlighted words in the story. Let's dive in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a moment of this rewarding journey. In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a girl named Mia. Mia's village was known for its colorful houses, friendly folks, and the most exciting event of all, the magical market day. One sunny morning, Mia woke up with a big smile. She put on her favorite blue dress and skipped down the cobblestone streets to the village square. The square was buzzing with activity. Stalls filled with fruits, shiny trinkets, and delicious treats lined the area. Mia's eyes widened as she spotted a stall with glistening potions and sparkling crystals. It was run by old Marla, the village's wise woman. "Greetings, young one," old Marla said with a twinkle in her eye. "Would you like to see something special?" Mia nodded eagerly. Old Marla holds up a crystal that glowed with a soft light. "This crystal," she whispered, "brings good luck to those who believe." Mia couldn't resist. She bought the crystal, hoping for a sprinkle of luck in her life. As Mia continued exploring, she came across a stall with the most mouth-watering pastries. The baker, Mrs. Bumblebee, wore a floor-covered apron and a warm smile. "Try a honey swirl, dear," she said, handing Mia a golden thread that melted in her mouth. Bellies full, Mia and her friends danced to the village band's cheerful tunes. Suddenly, a gust of wind swept through the square, carrying with it a flurry of colorful leaves. The village storyteller, Old Ben, stepped forward with a dramatic voice. He told tales of daring knights, clever fairies, and mischievous goblins. As the sun began to set, Mia's crystal started to glow brighter. She couldn't believe her eyes when she saw the village fountain came to life. Water danced in intricate patterns, forming shapes of animals and stars. The villagers gasped and applauded, enchanted by the magical display. Mia's heart swelled with happiness as she realized that the crystal had brought luck to the entire village. Everyone felt closer than ever before, united by the shared experience of the magical market day. As the evening turned to night, lanterns illuminated the square, casting a warm glow on the village. Mia returned home, her heart full of gratitude for the enchanting day she had experienced. She placed the crystal by her window, watching it twinkle like a guiding star. From that day on, whenever the villagers gathered in the square, they remembered the magical market day that had brought them together. And though Mia's crystal eventually stopped glowing, the memories of that extraordinary day continued to shine brightly in their hearts. And so, in the small village where the hills met the sky, the magic of community and togetherness lived on, reminding everyone that even the simplest moments could be the most enchanting of all. As time passed in the village, Mia's magical crystal became a cherished symbol of unity and good fortune. The villagers soon began to believe that the crystal held the power to bring them together whenever they needed it most. So they decided to create a tradition. Every year, on the anniversary of that unforgettable, magical market day, the villagers would gather in the square once more. Mia would place her crystal in the center of the fountain, and as the sun set, the crystal's soft glow would fill the square with a warm and comforting light. It was a way for the villagers to remember the magic of that day and to reaffirm their bonds of friendship and community. Over the years, the village continued to thrive. New families moved in and babies were born. Everyone had their own stories to tell about the crystal's good luck. Some believed it helped their crops grow, while others thought it brought them closer to their neighbors. But what everyone agreed on was that the crystal was a reminder of the power of togetherness. As Mia grew older, she watched generations of villagers gathered around the crystal during each magical anniversary. She realized that the true magic wasn't just in the crystal itself, but in the love and connection it had fostered among her people. Mia's heart swelled with pride, knowing that the village would always be a place of warmth, laughter, and shared memories, all thanks to a little piece of crystal that had brought them together on a sunny market day long ago. Let's learn the new words related to village life. Try to repeat with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Village, house, folks, stall, event, market, fruits, trinket, treat, cobblestone,